How to fix Uber application not working. There are certain things that you'll need to check if your application on Uber is not working. Well, first things first, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is not the issue. Refresh your internet connection multiple times, and then you want to proceed to head into your Play Store or App Store and look for any updates. If the update is available, update to the latest version. If there is no any update available, then simply proceed to open up the app and check if the issue is fixed. Now, if the issue is not fixed, now what you want to do is, it can be a glitch or a bug. Allow the necessary permissions first. Make sure you have enabled the permissions for the app, that is location permission, which is most probably necessary, and also internet connection permission is enabled as well. You want to make sure through your settings. Once you have made sure of the permissions, the other thing that you want to keep in mind is, as you can see, location app set to never. You want to enable that. You can enable select data and background app refresh as well. Now, if it's still not working, it can be a glitch or bug. Simply restart your device and reinstall the application, and that should fix the issue for you. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.